Which is the smallest continent? Australia. What is the capital of Canada? Ottawa. What is the currency of Japan? Yen. Who was the first president of America? Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Who discovered gravity? Newton. World War I started in the year. (1914). Largest desert in the world is Sahara. What is the tallest building in the world as of 2024? Burj Khalifa. The Great Wall of China is visible from Earth only. Who invented the light bulb? अब ये बहुत आसान सा सवाल है, ये आपको कमेंट में बताना है। कई बार हम पढ़ चुके हैं ये। The currency of Saudi Arabia is Riyal. What is the capital of Australia? मेरे शहजादे कहाँ गुम हो गए हो? कमेंट भी नहीं करते यार। आपको आता भी है फिर क्यों नहीं कमेंट करते मुझे? कैम्ब्रिया. Who was the founder of Microsoft? Bill Gates. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? मेरे शहजादे जिसने भी प्रीवियस लेट दी थी ना उसमें ये सवाल आया था। फ्रांस. Which continent has most countries? South of America. What is the capital of Germany? Berlin. UNO was founded in (1945). The study of plants is called botany. Which bird cannot fly? अब आप सोचते होंगे मैं शहजादे बोलता हूँ। शहजादे बोलने का ये मकसद है कि पीपीसी का जो 8वां नंबर सेक्शन है ना वहाँ पे सिर्फ ही का इस्तेमाल हुआ है। शी भी उसमें आ जाता है, वी भी, दे भी, तो इसलिए मैं सबको मुखातिब होके बोलता हूँ शहजादे। करेंसी ऑफ यूके इज Which is the biggest plant? Jupiter. First men's walk on the moon. ये तो हम बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, जब हम मिडिल में थे, उसके बाद सेकेंडरी में आए, हाई स्कूल में आए. Which animal is called the sheep of the desert? Camel. What is the main source of energy for Earth? Sun. Which country is famous for tulips and windmills? Netherlands. Who is the current Secretary General of the United Nations 2025? ये तो आना चाहिए आपको, क्योंकि ये मैंने पोस्ट भी की थी और पिक्चर के साथ. The current President of Turkey 2025 is G20 Summit 2024 was hosted by Brazil. COP28 climate conference was held in UAE. Which country recently joined BRICS in 2024? Saudi Arabia. Where is the headquarters of the International Court of Justice? The Huge. FIFA World Cup 2026 will be hosted by USA, Canada and Mexico. The country with the largest population in 2024 is India. The recent war in Gaza is between Israel and Palestine. Which country recently sent a human to moon in 2024 mission? USA. The currency of Afghanistan is Afghani. Nobel Peace Prize 2023 was awarded to Russia-Ukraine war began in which year? 2022. The currency of Bangladesh is Taka. According to World Economic Forum Global Gender Gap Report 2025, full gender poverty is projected to take approximately 123 years. International Aham Awareness Day is observed on June 13. The Huge is hosting a NATO summit in June 2025, marking the first for newly appointed Secretary General. The year 2025 has been designated by UN as International Year of Indonesia leads the world in 2025 production of its coconuts. The 2025 World Athletics Championships are scheduled to be held in Tokyo, Japan. Human blood is red due to the presence of hemoglobin. Which vitamin is obtained from sunlight? Vitamin D. Earth revolves around the sun is (60-65 days). Which part of plant conduct photosynthesis? Leaves. The gas essential for human respiration is oxygen. Sound travels fastest in solid. The center of an atom is called nucleus. Which device is used to measure temperature? Thermometer. Which of the following is not a plant? Moon. How many surah are there in the Holy Quran? अब मुसलमान हैं भाई, ये तो आता ही होगा क्योंकि हम तिलावत भी करते हैं। The first revelation was set in which cave? Cave Hira. Who was the first Caliph of Islam? Hazrat Abu Bakr Raziyallah. Zakat is one of the five pillars of Islam. Which month is considered the holiest in Islam? Ramzan. Who invented the telephone? ये भी बार बार हम रिपीट करते आए। अब ये आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना होगा इसका आंसर जो है। द नेशनल प्राउड ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज, ये जो कल वाली टेस्ट थी ना, ये उसमें भी आया था। Jasmine. The deepest ocean in the world is Pacific Ocean. Human body temperature is Celsius is (37 centigrade). Who discovered gravity? ये भी आपको कमेंट बताना है लाजमी। Which city is called City of Gardens in Pakistan? Lahore. Which animal is largest land carnivore? Bear. Which metal is located at room temperature? Mercury. What is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Riyadh. Which bird is fattest in the world? ये आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना है। ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन है। उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी, और अगर अच्छी लगी हो तो अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।